And we're here. Daban, maybe. Yeah, it can be. And why are we here? Because our noses sniffed up a waterfall. So somewhere here in this jungle is gonna be a waterfall. So in today's video, Anna, my name is Dan, my lovely wife Anna is going to see if we can find a waterfall and walk all the way home. We took a grab here and it's 15 kilometers from our accommodation, and now we're gonna walk around here, and when we walk back, a lot of rice field walking today. But a nice, great start of this journey inside here. Look at these beautiful flowers. Wow.
I think the name is hibiscus. Hibiscus, these flowers. I don't know.
And do we go left or we go right?
Today we don't know. Because...
We maybe have to go both, because we don't know where to. No. But here the guys are.
Maybe we can ask them.
Maybe. But I hear the waterfall. Waterfall? That way. Oh, come on.
So the other way.
That's perfect.
Yeah, and we can't look because today we don't have. I have the phone, but I don't have any service, no internet, and we don't know why.
Oh.
So today we have to trust the people around us.
Yeah, you got a text message and then your phone shut off.
Yeah, and I can't read the text message because I can't translate it because I don't have any Wi-Fi.
No. But a beautiful start. And it's maybe 7:30 in the morning time and it's already piping hot. So, but there's an empty house. Oh. And I think I hear the water from here as well, but I will close you up now, guys, and see you when we hit the waterfall. And it's super wet because we have heavy rain yesterday and some rain in the middle of the night, so it's a little bit slippery on the rocks here, but absolutely stunning. And we got the water on our left here and the jungle on the right. So look at this, guys. And there's a little puddle you can swim in. Beautiful. Look at this. Maybe go for a thumbnail over here, so we don't have to worry about the thumbnail the rest of the day.
I will save this place as a happy place.
Now we don't have to hunt for the thumbnail. You're not chuffed. Why not? Yeah. Nice. But you can go up and you can go down, but I will go up because of the slipperiness of the ground. And it's gonna be interesting to, I'm excited about this, but I'm excited to walk home as well, because I saw a lot of nice rice fields and another nice small villages. And Anna's phone isn't working today, and that makes me happy as well, because then I don't need to wait for the phone every time to update and so on. So I really enjoy more to walk.
It's really slippery.
Yeah. Have to be careful. Yes.
Yes, we have to walk to the old building.
Yeah. But this is a beautiful place. And it just keeps on going up. Maybe we can walk here for hours up this stream. It would be nice. Now we got some huge spiders. Look at this guy. Nice. We can still go up there. So we keep on hiking on. But I will cut the camera and I will walk over there and jump over there. Because all of these rocks are super slippery. Or maybe, can I manage to have you guys with me? If you're lucky, we don't fell. Yeah, it's. Oh, I will cut the camera and I will walk over there. So see you soon. Now we're over to the other side and the path goes on there. And here we got something beautiful up here as well. But a lot of spider webs. Oh, it's just a path up to the hill up there. So now we continue down to the water. And to be here and explore this, I feel is really exciting. I feel a little bit
Slippery, very slippery.
Yeah, you have to be really careful walking here because all the stones are like they put soap on them. So every step you take, they're soap rocks. So here we don't walk in a fast pace, but we can when we go home. And look at this, guys. Nice. But here's the water, looks a little bit browner. Down there it looks a little bit blue-green or something like that. But if you're gonna walk first, here is the camera. Here you are.
I'm stuck.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah. But I don't think, I don't know how much further we can walk.
Much longer, I think. It's a perfect place.
Oh, it's slippery again.
Yeah.
Can we go up here? Yeah, you have to come along for the exploring tour.
Yeah.
Of the waterfall. It's amazing. And it's so much spiders. Spider web and spiders.
I only saw 2 spiders, but I think I hit like a million spider webs.
Yeah. But it's quite amazing place.
Yeah.
But
a dry day because it's much easier to walk here.
yeah, but a much smaller water stream.
Yeah, of course, but now the rocks are so slippery. You get a little bit nervous when you put down your feet. But look at this stream. And look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. The Vietnamese nature is stunning. now I think we go down, not up. Yeah. Did I kill myself if I step on that one? No, it was decent. But it's really, really, really slippery here. But it just keeps on going. But did this place say waterfall? Because yeah,
that is the waterfall.
Yeah. But maybe there's a bigger waterfall if you start climbing up.
You don't know.
No.
Is the path on the other side now?
Yeah, it's easier to walk on the other side, so we will go over again.
Yeah.
But for this I have to put you out again. So see you on the other side.
So slippery. Oh. I don't know where to put my hands or my feet. This place is getting more and more beautiful. I don't thought it was possible, but it really is. Look at this side.
The snake was just eaten. Oh. There's the snake. It's really, really fat, so maybe egg, or maybe just eaten something good in there. Oh. Nice. And this is the end of the line. We have walked over there, we have walked back, and we walked back again. We got back to the snake and we couldn't cross. It was too slippery for us.
Yeah, but this is it's amazing anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning views.
And I see butterflies. They are so big and heavy.
Yeah, but why are there so many butterflies? Yeah. Maybe seen 100, 200 butterflies here, and they're huge, like my palm. So now we will try to walk down again and see if there is more places to explore. So we walk all the way down, and then if we don't put the camera on again, we will start heading home and see you on the rice fields. But this is stunning. I really enjoy this. I'm super excited.
One abandoned house. What do you see? What has it been?
Maybe someone live here. It's a decent house.
But can it be something for
Forest guards, maybe?
Yeah.
Because no toilet, no
No, and this outside here.
kitchen.
No. It's not a usual house.
No. And now when I see the green snakes, I see snakes everywhere.
Yeah.
So I look up in the roof before I enter the building.
And I saw some holes in the ground and I saw snakes there as well.
Yeah.
But no.
But a nice house, electricity and everything.
Yeah. And what's the sign?
So
As usual, explain what that means.
But I wonder why, because it's a very, very nice house. If you fix it up, maybe I think you can live here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just clean off some paint.
Yeah, and the roof, of course, you have to fix the roof,
Yeah,
but I think
it's
livable.
a stable house.
Yeah. And you have the water over there.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
It's a nice roof. And roof and floor, that's the most important thing. The other thing you can do some maintenance. And that size of house, that would be a really decent house for you and me.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Maybe even a little bit too big. Little more outside, little less inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we will have a toilet and a kitchen in there as well.
Yeah. Please, I need. We're finding out the path, and look at this tree. It's going down here. A magnificent big tree. And it's slippery here as well. So mind your steps, guys. And is this an old house, or has it been some bridge? I don't know. What do you see over there?
This is a built dam, but it was too gooey, so I cannot jump out on the dam ledge. And I don't mean the dam ledge, I mean the dam ledge.
Oh.
But it was too gooey there.
Okay.
Yeah. And watch out for that one on your right, it's a spiky one.
Yeah, I will not go there.
No.
Yeah. Oh, what a beautiful place here as well.
I can walk up here.
Yeah, we will do that. And on the other side we have a stair. This is much easier. And look at these butterflies. Black butterflies. This is the most. I have never seen so many butterflies like I have done in this area. Now we will turn around.
And the line this way. You can walk a little bit further, rock jumping, but I don't trust my shoes because they are all slippery. Now I got mud underneath and I have used them for 1.5 years, so I don't have the grip.
Pedal.
Yeah, the pattern is gone, so I don't dare to walk down any further. So now we go up and see if we can find the road out again.
And I have to clean my boots because they are muddy.
Looking so good. And this is maybe not the end because it keeps on going there, but very, very nice. And now the walk home starts. And over here you can see what we had to our day at the office today. It's like this. Look at this, guys, and I think if you can see the temple over there, I don't know if the camera can see so far, but it's super nice. Look at the views.
And the walk home, how far?
15 kilometers, and over there.
Is that our hill?
Temple, yeah. That's the haunted hill.
Yeah.
But we have done it, and we will surely do it again, because we didn't find so many hikes here. So on weekend maybe we do it both Saturday and Sunday to get the hill walks in. We need it for our bodies. But here is steep and nice. So let's start to walk home and have dinner or lunch on the way home and drinks and see what we can see.
We found another house. This is more a proper house than the other one.
This is for living.
Yeah.
Here's someone else.
Look at this. This is so beautiful up here in the window.
And look at the view. Little pond. And even hanging up her
gloves.
Her gloves. But this is a big house. I'm so scared there's going to be snakes on the floor or anything like that. Maybe. Oh, lizard.
Can this be the kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toilet, bathroom here.
Is it?
Yeah, the restroom. And here's the kitchenette area. No, this is the storage area. And this is the kitchen, I think.
So you have an entrance here as well. So toilet, entrance.
Maybe storage.
Maybe storage. This is an old bed, maybe?
Yeah.
And toilet. And here?
Maybe the kitchen area, I think.
Kitchen.
And here is the living room and sleeping room and everything. Beautiful.
Yeah, and the wall is not the whole way up.
No, that's why I think it's the kitchen. So it can warm up or release the heat.
We are from the northern Sweden, from the northern of the earth, so we say heat up, but you don't need to heat up in these houses here. No, so much easier.
Down.
Yeah, so that's a big difference.
So maybe even they have the kitchen outside.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful abandoned house. Oh, no, mommy dog is coming.
Where?
Behind you.
Oh, there she is. Hello, little ones. Oh, baby,
And we did ask the dad if it's okay to walk in, and he said yes. But I don't like the dog is barking. And here he built his own shrine. And they're burning some leaves and stuff. And we got the bridge. But now I leave Anna behind. I don't embrace dogs. I don't embrace any animals. And here the water goes on. And here we got the water. Nice. Looking good.
out walking along the rice field. And we have some music from speakers. What kind of music is it? This is amazing. We see so many nice things. So many. No wonder that they have nice meat when we're living like this. Heaven for them. They're living in a spa. They had the time of their lives. They're swimming on the field. Oh. So many of them. Oh, we stumbled upon another market. So nice to get away from the sun a bit.
Here, hello, hello.
Yeah, hello, hello.
Oh, no.
Oh, corn.
Me.
Cucumber. Xin chào, xin chào.
Cả nói cũng biết gì đâu.
I only want drinks and I see
No, I don't see any.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Xin chào.
Drinks? Have drinks somewhere? Not it. Is that fruit juice?
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
I want fruit juice.
So will I. Hello.
I will go for the pineapple and passion fruit.
Oh, make it two.
Make it high.
Make it high.
And shada.
Oh, one juice, one cheddar.
I will.
I want juice as well.
Give me two.
Yeah. We will buy two juice here.
Yeah.
Pineapple. Yeah. I want one pineapple orange. And this was a nice market. Xin chào. Some clothing as well. Ah, see, there's a tailor. And we come from over there. So many kids driving by us, waving, laughing. All these people, where are they coming from? The whole school is out, bicycling, driving. And we have the rice fields over here. Yeah, everyone is turning on that way there. Xin chào. It just keeps on coming. Lunchtime. Here? Yeah.
You have a banh mi?
Dạ.
Banh mi?
Như tiền hả?
Banh mi?
Cái không đó.
Ah, okay, okay. Hi. What a beautiful place. Oh,
Vegetables.
yeah.
Yeah. Egg, meat. Yeah. And vegetables. Ah. Yes, it all. Perfect. I'm gonna sit in here. Seashell. And here they have their soy sauce.
Yeah. Want drinks?
Oh, and it was windy in here. Absolutely amazing. Now, I'm gonna show them
Huh? Show them.
outside the mountain.
Yeah. We find this little place here with the food. We're gonna eat there. And after that, we go up there again. Second time. But we only walked like 10 kilometers, something like that. I have to check the phone. Only 12. Only 12 kilometers from the water. So I think we have 5 kilometers back home. So up there and then down again. Perfect. We got small stools, but on high table I can fit my legs under.
That was really nice.
And soup.
Soup and
You stole my glass. Fish sauce.
and what is this? Yes, fish sauce and chili. I think. And normal tea.
Here guys, you cannot believe me, but here they got the chopsticks. And that's nice as well. Because I've never seen that before in Vietnam. Or we had maybe
And I see so many people. They do like this.
yeah. But what's this guys? Little bit sour taste with that thing.
I think this is the one who looks like cucumber almost.
No? Not my favorite thing. It tastes sour.
A little bit bitter.
Bitter. Is that the name?
Yeah. Some
So,
bitter.
alright, we need to take some.
Oh,
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Perfect.
Come on,
Thank
come
you. So I'll take the soy sauce in there.
this must be the biggest portion I have gotten in Vietnam.
Yeah, they see two white fat people want some food. But I pointed at all the veggies, so that's why. So, but
Oh, yeah, this rice.
the rice amount is huge.
I don't think I'm going to.
Better with the soy sauce.
Yeah. I think this must be it's too much food for me because we are not done with the walking.
Oh. And look at this, guys. Got me a little piece of fat over there.
We had really good rice.
Was the rice good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the rice was extremely good.
Yeah. Why?
And something is extremely spicy.
Yeah, because the rice is a little bit dense. It is a little bit al dente. I like it a lot.
What's wrong with the rice? It's so good. Yeah, but the flavor from the rice is
I like it.
different as well. Yeah, super nice. And
So many different rices.
the name of this one?
Ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger.
Yeah.
I like me ladyfingers. And the ladyfinger you have to dip, but no chili in the fish sauce.
It was meat in the soup as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bitterness is not my favorite.
No.
No, the soup was good, but the bitterness from the vegetables not my favorite.
No, but when I put in the soy sauce, it was better. Look at these pieces of meat. Give you back the fat?
A lot of meat.
But
A lot of meat.
you're missing out on the fat. Here we are, my friend.
Oh.
Shove it in.
No.
Why? Look at that. You eat this?
I think it's the vegetables that are spicy.
The ladyfingers?
No, this one. The kale.
Yeah.
The kale and the carrot. And you always get just one egg half. Here you get 2 egg half.
But it must be the most expensive portion ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So much meat.
You want to taste the fat?
No, I always take my meat.
You're not a fatty lady? You can share?
I am a fatty lady, so I don't need a hat.
Share?
No.
I'll take it. It's pretty good. I recommend you to try it. Take it all. It's creamy
Yeah.
because I have boiled for 16 hours maybe.
This one has boiled for some time. Taste that one.
But this is the same I got. Good. How was the egg?
A bit sweetness to the meat. In the meat.
And the fun fact here is everything I pointed on, I got this time.
A lot of.
Yeah. Sometimes I don't get what I'm pointing
No?
on. And that makes me happy as well. But now it's changing berry time and we'll be back when we're done and walking up the hill. But today we don't gonna film the hill, we will just film on the top.
No, but we decided to conquer the mountain one more time.
Yeah, for the second time. So, but we'll be back for how much we pay. Here we cannot afford to eat, so Anna had to do the dishes, unfortunately. So how much was the price, my beautiful wife?
A big portion, so 60 each.
60 each?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds very expensive because I only paid 50. So it's 25 each.
25?
Yeah. And
All that food?
yeah, all the meat, double egg and double veggies.
Did you finish all of my rice?
No, so this place here, I don't know the name, Thai, Siratu, Dalak, Mu, Quan. This must be QUAN. Yeah.
I don't know.
No, me neither.
Highly recommend.
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
And oh my god, 2 pieces of meat and 1 big piece of fat. And down there, maybe the Hanoi fur lady, we don't know. But we have to see if she's there later. I'm a little bit surprised, I must say, because yeah, I don't know how to express myself, but 25,000 dong, what the hell? It was 2 egg halves, 2 big meats, 2 different salads, and a huge plate of rice.
And 3 cheddar.
Yeah.
Soy sauce and everything.
Yeah. So strange. Too good of a price. Like Anna said, 50 a piece would be a cheap price as well. So that's why I like this countryside. You can eat super big, super cheap. You can live super cheap as well. So, but now we go up again, the second town, to the haunted hill. So we didn't have any internet on Anna's phone because I don't have any internet on my phone. I never had. I only got Wi-Fi in the hotel room. And why didn't we got internet on your phone?
Because I haven't paid. It was the day has run out.
Yeah.
So I have to buy me because when we buy the fruit juice, we get help from the staff there.
Yeah. Yeah, the lovely lady and the guy there. The lady told the guy to run away and buy a new scratch thing.
Yeah,
So,
I gave him 100,000 notes and
yeah.
he run off.
Yeah.
Yeah, and come back. I gave him my phone and he fixed it.
Yeah. So now it's working again, but now we don't use it. But so we thought we preloaded it with 30 days, 40 days, but it was only 15.
Yeah, and I just
So.
saw then he I don't understand any.
No. So they were saying to Anna, you are running out of time. You have to preload your phone again. But now, enough of the rambling. 50,000 dongs for the food. See you, Sing Chao. And see you on the top of the mountain again. And now we've been up again. Second time in 2 days. 33 minutes just to walk the hill up. And it's just up all the way. But I hope you can see the view, guys. Now we have a stunning view from the way down. And some of the workers up there invited us for some water, so super nice of them. We have eaten and drank down there, so it was not an issue for water, but it was a super friendly gesture. And if you got that friendly gesture, you don't say no. Military working hard guys here in Vietnam, so makes me so happy and proud. Good to see hard-working, honest people. So take in a couple of dumb tourists like me and Anna and take some water, you need it. You work hard walking uphill the hill. So, but look at this view, guys. This is why we're here. Beautiful, and a lot of butterflies out today. Anna behind the camera pointing.
You see the difference in the water?
Yeah.
Is that because of the river?
Yeah,
out?
the river is brown and the ocean is blue.
What a contrast.
Yeah, looks nice. But it is not nice because the river is dirty and the ocean was super clean. But now we walk down and see what we can find on the path home today. I hope we don't end up on the same path. But today we go directly to a hotel. Yesterday we walked to the ocean. Oh, you want to swim today again?
No, I just want to home and take a cold shower.
Yeah. So, look at the butterflies.
I have ice in my hands. We just stopped by at the cafe. And we thought that we should take some iced tea and have an outro for you guys.
Yeah, perfect place for the outro, we thought.
Yeah, but we were perfect place. With perfect people. We be sitting there to have a chat with, he was a university student, university teacher. So good at English. So we had a really nice time with him. He's standing in the water.
Yeah, beautiful cow.
Huh? Yeah, so we have been sitting there talking with him, eating coconut dipped in sugar.
Yeah.
And drinking some tea.
And the coconut dipped sugar was from his grandma. And his mother were there and they could not in English and they were so happy. They only laughed and pointed and then their friend comes and they take pictures of us and pictures with us.
Pictures.
Yeah. So now
Lady pictures and pictures of us three.
Yeah. So it was super nice. So now we are on Vietnamese IG. So if someone finds us on IG, please send us the link to the pictures. Because the lovely lady, she was super sweet. She was directing us, you sit here, you stand there. It was so funny. So the perfect outro was destroyed by our private lives. And that makes me so happy.
Amazing time. We had a really nice time.
But we will be back there tomorrow because I want to drink there before we go to the beach. But tomorrow we go for a beach day, hike up the hill and bring stay. If it's good weather, we're gonna stay all day at the beach and bring along you guys so you can see when we're swimming and walking around at the beach. So say bye bye to Anna.
Bye bye.
Subscribe, thumb up, tell all your friends. We like Vietnam.